Is coffee good for your health? The secret is in the bean. Coffee has more natural antioxidants than broccoli, grapes, and even blueberries. And those antioxidants help to fight free radicals, slow down the aging process, and can even strengthen the immune system. Did you know that organic coffee is healthier than orange juice? It's been proven that coffee has more fiber than orange juice and does not cause the great insulin flood that the sugar-laden juice does. Drinking coffee with breakfast instead of orange juice is much better for weight loss, weight maintenance, and diabetes prevention.
When was the last time you actually consumed 3 cups of blueberries for breakfast in the morning? I know I haven't in at least 7 to 10 years. Fact is, I'm getting that every time I have a cup of my super antioxidant coffee.
Most of the problems people seem to experience when drinking coffee comes from drinking non-organic coffees, which are grown with chemical fertilizers, chemical sprays, and processed with chemicals after picking. These are the things that cause headaches, stomach aches, jangled nerves, and have led to some instances of cancer. What is unhealthy about coffee is what is added to it. Processed sugar, chemical sweeteners, powdered whiteners are not good.
Got a sample of the coffee, I tried it, and lo and behold, 7 days later, not only did I have energy peeking right through the top of my head, but I had no joint pain. I was like over the top.
What sets organic coffee apart from the ordinary coffee is that attaining the organic label requires that a product comply with specific standards for growth and production, particularly where chemicals are concerned. Choosing organic coffee is a step towards greater health. After years of research, we have developed the Healthy Roast process, which allows us to offer the enormous world of premium coffee drinkers a delicious and healthy cup of coffee.
I sampled some of the coffee and I was amazed at how great it tasted. It found out it was organic, certified Rainforest Alliance, and it's a high-end gourmet Arabica bean, and which was my favorite anyway, and the coffee is delicious and amazing.
The proven health benefits of antioxidants cannot be ignored, and our coffee has 6 times more antioxidants than any coffee on the market.
You know, if I'm drinking 2 cups of coffee a day and I'm getting the equivalent of 6 cups of blueberries, you can't go wrong. That's why I love it.
What are you doing to improve your diet? Make the switch to a healthier coffee alternative.
I've been trying to get rid of the arthritis for quite some time with magnets and with salves and medication and whatnot, and nothing seemed to be touching it. Next thing I knew, I was getting up in my saddle of my horse much easier, much more flexible. And guess what? After about 3 months of drinking this coffee, no arthritis in my thumbs.
Visit us now at superantioxidantcoffee.com to learn how you can keep yourself healthier and younger than your chronological age by erasing the effects of free radicals. Our coffee can also help you stimulate your metabolism, have a healthier heart, prevent type 2 diabetes, reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, while enjoying the best possible experience in flavor and taste of the most powerful and delicious antioxidant coffee.
Well, this super antioxidant coffee actually tastes so good that I've been able to switch to drinking my coffee black on a daily basis, and I know that's saving me from all of the extra calories from the cream and sugar.
Protect your health for only cents a cup. Switch to organic antioxidant coffee today and benefit from the only coffee proven to have 6 times the antioxidants of any regular coffee on the market. superantioxidantcoffee.com.